Hello and welcome to appse demo. In this session, we are going to discuss how the emails which are sent by the end customer through which they try to place order, those emails we can automatically read, understand the email context in terms of the customer name, in terms of items, in terms of quantity, searches those details within Zoho Books accounting system, and then create a sales order within Zoho Books. So this is the flow that we are going to discuss today, through which an email can be converted into a sales order.
In this demo, we will see how we can sync email order to the Zoho Books accounting system. So the process is the workflow, as you can see, it has a starting point, which is first searching for email messages with certain content. So it starts with searching whether the email message has any order, purchase order, sales order, this kind of text mentioned within its subject line. And then the workflow starts. It first get the email message details, whatever the content is, and then the AI node, the OpenAI here, it will search for the customer name, first name, last name, company name, the items which are ordered, quantity, and then it searches the customer as well as the items within Zoho Books. And if both turns true, that means the customer exists within Zoho Books and the items are also present within Zoho Books, then it will merge all the things and then it will create a new sales order within Zoho Books. So now, if I go here within our system, so we have a new purchase order which is an unread email, and this flow starts with an unread email. So we have a new purchase order which is mentioned in its subject line that it's a purchase order coming from customer. Now let's run this flow and let's see the result. So it creates a draft order within Zoho Books. So if I go in Zoho Books and if I check the sales order section, at this stage I see that the last order number is 152. Right, so now let's go and run this flow and then come back to see the result. So it reads node by node. It goes through the decisions, checking whether the things exist. And at the last node, if we go and see the details, so we can see that a new sales order has been created. The sales order number is 155. The customer name is this one, customer ID, customer phone number, and it gets the other information regarding the line items, the line item ID, if there are any variants, then variant ID, the SKU, the name of that item, what is the sales rate, what is the quantity which has been ordered, and based on this, it has created this sales order within the ERP system, within the accounting system. So now if we go and we again go to the sales order section of Zoho Books, I can see that a new order is created for the backend team to check the order status is draft, because obviously there can be things which needs to be checked out. So it contains the customer name, the customer address, the item which they have ordered, the quantity, the rate at which there's the sales rate, and the order total. If there are any discounts, that can also be pushed within the sales order accordingly. So that's all to share for today. Here we are trying to showcase how appse AI can be used for AI workflow automation to create sales order from a customer's email. Thanks for watching.